Occasionally, it may be necessary to manually tag our content, or better to manually tag it in cases where most of the content already is tagged, but certain elements are not. In this case, we'll go to the page content issues. We'll expand the tagged content area and click on element 1, which represents this image in my document. To manually tag this image, I will go to the tags panel. I will right click on the root tag. That is the very first or very topmost tag in the tags panel. From here, I will click the find command. And in this case, I will select unmarked content as the type of content we wish to find. Occasionally, you may use unmarked links for links or unmarked annotations for form fields. I'll search the page. I will skip any erroneous elements that do not need to be tagged. And now that the image I'm looking for is highlighted, I will click Tag Element. And in this case, I will tag this as a figure because a figure and an image is the same thing in Adobe PDF. You may commonly make use of the heading tags or the paragraph tags. But like I said, I will use figure for this case. Click OK. And if I go back to my accessibility checker, I'll right click, ask it to check again, and we see that our untagged content has now been tagged.